The 6th edition of Little Sounds Manifest Conference is here. Join Dr. Samuel Akinbodisha at this year's Little Sounds Manifest Conference. Themed, Greatness is Sure. It will be impactful, insightful, and powerful. Little Sounds Manifest 2019.
Want to ruin them? Yes, because they accuse you. They accuse you.
To go crazy, man. Please help me. Please help me. They close my church.
Somebody took your name to the ocean. She called your name 3 times, and I can hear her voice now.
Professor.
They call your name. I hear George Pinto. George Pinto.
That's my
George
surname.
Pinto.
That's my surname.
Son,
Yes, Papa.
you have no problem.
Did you just call me son?
Yes.
I came for that.
Because that is what you
I
came
came
for.
for that.
Little Sounds Manifest 2019.
You can be in a ministry. If you don't discover the new thing that God wants you to do in the ministry, you will just be operating your ministry in the way that old people operate it. And for you to be relevant, it will be difficult. Can you open your eyes? Those that you are celebrating, what is inside you might be greater than them.
Little Sounds Manifest 2019. Date, Saturday, 17th August 2019. Time, 7 a.m. at Mercyland Freedom for All Nations Outreach, 2601 Van der Hof Road, Pretoria, South Africa. For more inquiries, please call +27 12771 6395 +27 78658 2506. Little Sounds Manifest 2019. Freedom for All Nations Outreach. Raising a greater generation.